Hey everyone, this is Ashish from Developer Hub and welcome to the Go for Beginners series. So this video is specifically for the exercise session or assignment session which I have created in the GitHub repository. So you can go to 100 plus Go exercises folder and you can find the assignments of each topic in the respective file. So once you finish any tutorial, you come back here and finish the assignment as early as possible or with the tutorial itself. So this will help you to understand the concept better and enhance your programming skills. I also uploaded the link of each assignment in every tutorial's description section. Keep watching the tutorial as well as you start doing the assignments along with it. Thanks for watching and I will see you on the next one.